Good morning, guys. Heading out now to meet Yam and Adeline, and then Sony Center the Curve for day 2 course. Let's see how they do the editing today. Behind the scene of Instagram husband. Yo, what's up guys? Just done meeting with Yam and Adeline. Now heading towards the curve. Try out the new lens 12-24 G lens at f4. Heading in now.
So if you're a guy or you're a girl, in today's lesson, we up the level and go into video. Hi everyone, it's Baron here. It was a great start last week where I helped participants to overcome the fear of being in front of the camera and how to film themselves having fun. In today's lesson, we up the level and go into video editing and voiceovers. I also show everyone how to do interviews and do lockdown shots. Now, I've given them all mini assignments. Everyone, are you ready for your assignments? Yes! Let's go!
What's up guys? So currently shooting with the 12-24 G lens and with a S-Log 2 profile.
Okay, so my word of advice to new guys and girls who are starting out to become director/DP. I guess a lot of people are worried about gear, what camera should I get, what lighting should I use, but I think it's also really important to focus into story because now it's all about content. So do a lot of research, watch a lot of movies and watch a lot of good quality videos to learn from there. In terms of gear, right, I would always recommend you to know what direction you're heading towards, as in are you doing more like adventure videos or are you going to do more feature film, and that will decide what kind of gear would suit you best, what kind of lighting would suit you best as well. So there isn't one camera that can cover everything that you're doing, so you need to select the right gear for the right kind of video.
So basically it's not all about gears, but it's more on about the content, storytelling part. So of course gear will help you out in terms of quality.
Yeah,
quality.
Definitely help you out in quality, yeah.
Correct, yeah, but then the most crucial part will be actually story, the content.
The content is so important nowadays because there's like so many videos out there, and people tend to want to see videos that really move them, videos that really connect with them. So that's a lot to do with creating good stories.
So what's up guys, it's the end of the day, end of the vlog, the session. Returning the lens right now. So proof that I returned the lens. No, it's in good condition. Heading back home to grab my tripod and then go to the playground behind my house to shoot some time lapse. Bye bye. Bye bye. What's up guys? So just done with the time lapse and then now heading back home. Shower and then back up the files, transfer to PC and then go out for dinner. Yep, that's the plan.